So now come to question number 15, exercise 1, page 6, area under the curves. Draw the rough sketch of y is equal to sine 2x. Y is equal to sine 2x. What is the period of this? Period is 2 pi by a. A is 2. So period is pi. That means it will complete one cycle in pi interval. So only one cycle is required here because 0 to this. So one cycle it completes in pi interval. So I am just making exaggerated. This is pi by 2. This is pi. 0 to pi by 2, half cycle over. And pi by 2 to pi, one cycle over. This is the graph of y is equal to sine 2x. I have to draw from y is equal to pi by 4. So this point is pi by 4. Pi by 2 plus pi by 4, 3 pi by 4. This will be 3 pi by 4. So I have to find area of this part and area of this part. These two areas I have to calculate. So by symmetricity, you can say this area will be 2 times of this area because this is also pi by 4 interval, this is also pi by 4 interval. So area will be 2 times area enclosed from pi by 4 to pi by 2 sine 2x dx. Remember this area is negative. Directly if you integrate from pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4, you will get 0. Because this will be positive area, this is negative area, they will cancel out each other. So either we have to find this area plus mod of this area, or by symmetricity, both areas are equal in magnitude. So I will multiply 2 times. I will find this area, multiply 2 times. Same will be this area also. If you calculate 0 to pi by 4 and down of that, same answer will be there. So this is a sine 2x. So 2 integration of sine 2x is a minus cos 2x upon 2. Pi by 4 to pi by 2. So 2 will cancel. So minus cos pi minus cos minus is outside. Pi by 2. I'm putting this 2 into pi by 4. So cos pi by 2 is 0. So minus cos pi is equal to 1 square units. So that is the area of this. So with this is the answer of that. Thank you.